Alright everyone, Steven and Dave from MMX here, and today we're going to do a little short video on Smooth Boost and the functionality of it. It seems like there may be a little bit of misconception that it's just a boost controller, when in fact it's more of like a boost management. So we're going to kind of give you a little ride along here, and hopefully the gauges read through the camera. And you can see the different amount of load going uphill and it remaining at zero vacuum. Alright, we're at zero vacuum. Pulling a grade.
Okay, I got 1 PSI, should I say, and basically all that was just a steady progression of the accelerator pedal to give the engine more power. It hung at the 0 inches of vacuum, still allowing the throttle to be opened and let the engine make power naturally aspirated. At some point when the RPM level reaches a point where the bypass position and the output of the blower reach an area, it starts making boost again. I can't even say similar to a centrifugal. It's just all its own. It's a joy to drive. There you can feel it kick down and go to 0 inches. If this was a Whipple, normally vacuum controlled, this thing would be like wild. It would just go into 14 PSI, which is, this Jeep right now is 12 to 14 PSI. So, I mean, we're driving 750 horsepower here like it's 500 naturally aspirated. It's amazing.